Diego go! Diego's Halloween party! Hola! It's Halloween, and we're having a Halloween party at the Animal Rescue Center. We invited lots of animals, but Baby Jaguar and I need to find the 5 animals who haven't shown up yet. Will you help us find the 5 animals on this list? A la aventura, amigos! Let's go on an adventure! The first animal we need to find is black. It can see at night. It sleeps upside down. I need to use my flashlight to see this animal. Look at the red eyes. Do you know which animal this is? See, it's a bat. Let's bring the bat to our Halloween party. The next animal on our list lives in the grasslands by the rainforest. It uses a short bark to talk. It has big ears. Do you know what animal it could be? A maned wolf, yeah. Let's use my spotting scope to find one. Do you see those paw prints? They lead right to a maned wolf. Let's bring the maned wolf to our Halloween party. We found 2 animals, but we need to find more. The next animal can be found near a river. This animal loves to swim in fresh water. It also loves to bask in the sun. It's a reptile with lots of teeth. What do you think it is? A crocodile! See! Let's ask my friend Kira the crocodile to come to our Halloween party. The next animal on my list crawls on 8 red legs and lives in holes in the ground. Let's get really close to the ground. This animal is about the size of a teacup. What animal could it be? It's a red-legged tarantula. Let's invite the tarantula to our Halloween party. We have one more animal to find and bring to the Halloween party. This animal is a great climber and jumper. It can see really well at night, and it blends into the dark too. What animal could it be? Yeah, it's a black jaguar. Let's bring the black jaguar to our Halloween party. We found all 5 animals for our Halloween party. We couldn't have done it without your help. Now it's time to celebrate. Happy Halloween! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Halloween stories, check out my Halloween playlist. And for more Go Diego Go stories, check out my Diego playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you!